back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a try on haul because I went shopping for the kind of spring and summertime, but I think this is going to be kind of like a different haul because even though it is transitioning into spring and summer, I do like to keep cool in the spring and summer. I also like to keep covered in the spring and summer, so I went shopping and I bought a couple of things that is kind of like going to be kind of that keeping cool vibe but also being very covered as well. Before we get into the video, I will encourage you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and of course like and comment and do all of the other things. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. So I guess the first bag that I just grabbed a hold of was this one. Dottie is one of my favorite stores, but it is a little bit pricey, so I do have to spend a little bit wisely at Dottie, but nonetheless I got a couple of things. So I got a pair of these like red. They're showing up a lot more red than they are in real life, but they are these just kind of pants with a kind of like tight waistband, and then they go all the way up to an ankle, and it's really nice because this part of the pant really hugs your thighs, but this part of the pant is kind of loose, and of course the butt is also really nice as well. So I got two of these. I got one in the red maroon color because I don't have any pants that are this color, and I also got it in the blue, the navy blue, which is also really stunning. These are called the cropped paper bag waist, so that's what it's called, a paper bag waist, and I really like the paper bag waist look. I am not entirely sure what this is made out of. Polyester. So it's made out of polyester, so it means that it's like super light. It's going to keep you super cool in the summer and the spring month, and it's going to keep you nice and covered as well. So those were one of my favorite things that I bought. The next place I went to was Forever New. Again, this is one of my favorite stores in the entire like shopping center. I think the clothes that they have are just glorious and marvelous, but they do run a little bit high. From Forever New, I picked up this top, which is just like the most stunning thing I've ever seen in my life. It's such a beautiful top, and it's like got this like long kind of bell sleeve to it. Funny story about this top. I actually saw it and I tried it on, and I was like, this is such a gorgeous, stunning top, but the price was $70 Australian dollars for this top, and the reason why I didn't pick it up originally was because this material, which is, I'm not entirely sure what material it is, but it feels like silk. Like, it feels like a mix between silk and cotton, and from personal experience I know that like this type of material shrinks in the washing machine, so it means that you have to wash it by hand, which is a little bit high maintenance for me. But I walked into Forever New the other day and this was on sale. It had like a $20 discount and it was $50, and I just couldn't pass it up. This is a size too big for me, but for the spring and summer months, I think that having something that's like flowy and airy, and again this type of material is like super breathable, so I definitely don't regret this purchase. I also love this color. I have been all about the millennial pink colors recently, and this is called the Bambi tie-up blouse in Verona Rose, which is amazing. It's stunning. Love it. The next place I went to was JJ's, and JJ's is a more affordable store, I would say, but like I like JJ's because the jeans there fit me amazing. Like the jeans, I have like I think 3 pairs of jeans from JJ's, and I just wear those on rotation because they are so comfortable. So from JJ's I bought a couple of tops which were like super affordable. I think they were having a sale where it was like buy one get one half price or something like that. Oops, I've actually already worn this top, that's why it's like inside out, but let's quickly fix that. So this is the first top that I got, and as you can see, it has an open back and it has kind of like a lower chest, but when I wear this, the chest isn't so low that it's a scandal. This is cotton. It is a very, very light kind of flimsy material. This was a little bit on the cheaper end, and it's cropped, so it doesn't go all the way down, but it's tied at the waist. And you can tighten it or you can loosen it as you please, but I just thought this was a really nice top because it's kind of like low maintenance. Like you just throw it on top of black jeans or black shorts and it will look really good. And I particularly enjoy it because it's cropped, and with my body shape, I'm an hourglass body shape, and I have a little bit of extra meat on me, so that means that anything that is cropped at the waist is very flattering for me, and that's just what I go for every time I look for clothes. So something that's cropped, and like I really actually love this pattern. Like it's like not statement enough to be like a trend, but it's not like basic enough to be a basic, but I think that this is something that you could keep in your wardrobe for like a super long time if you take care of it properly. That's the thing. Like this is, like I said, a bit of a cheaper material, so I think the important thing is that if you get clothes like this, you should pop it in a washing bag and put it on a gentle cycle so that you know, you can preserve this piece of clothing for as long as you can. It's not going to last the longest, but it is beautiful if you are looking for a piece that would kind of be good for us a little while. Something that, you know, a piece that might change, like your style might change towards it. Like I don't know if I'll be like a 25-year-old or like a 30-year-old and still want to wear something like this, but for right now it's really, really good. The next thing I got was this kind of tie top. It comes around and you tie it at the waist, and again this is that same cotton kind of flimsy material. I really actually want to know what, maybe it's a linen, maybe the material is linen, I'm not entirely sure, but this is called the it's called the line 931961, if that helps at all. But yeah, so it ties around the waist and it's got like a peplum kind of finish, and I like the vertical stripes because vertical stripes are very, very slimming. And I like the navy blue because I think that navy blue is a very like elegant kind of basic color to have. And yeah, this is a bit revealing at the front, so I think you would have to wear a singlet inside it if you don't want to like blow people's mind. But yeah, like this was really good and it was very cheap. Like it was on sale it went from $40 to $15, and like how can you just say no to such a good, you know, like beautiful top that's going to last you a little while, enough for you to have, you know, your fair share of wear with it. I've actually got another JJ's top which I absolutely adore. Like everything from JJ's fits amazingly. I don't know what it is or how they do it, but like for me personally they fit amazing, and if you kind of have the same body shape as me, then it might work for you too. So I really like that one. Okay, so the last thing I brought from JJ's is a pair of shorts. These, again, I bought these because, as I mentioned before, JJ jeans fit me amazingly, but I think these are really nice. Like they're not too short in my humble opinion. I don't think they're too short, and like personally I wouldn't go out in these, but something for like when, you know, my sister's over or I'm with my family, like not my men family, like my women family. So yeah, it would be really nice, and I think like something this paired with one of the tops that I got, or that pink top that I got, would look absolutely beautiful. I think that this is a high-waisted pair of shorts, and it's got like 3 buttons here, so it makes sure that everything you have, like your muffin top or whatever, is like sucked in and in these shorts. And I really like them because they really flatter your backside, and they kind of also don't ride up when you walk. Like if you don't have a thigh gap, which most of us don't have, when you walk, shorts do ride up. For me anyway, they do. So this won't do that because it's like clamped onto your thighs, which is a really good thing in the summer because you really don't want like sweaty shorts like riding up. I know it's disgusting, but yeah, so these were the last purchases that I made. I'm really happy with them. I love JJ's material. With JJ's jeans, you can literally just shove them in the wash and just put them on whatever cycle you want to, and they will not shrink, they will not rip. They are very, very durable so far, and I would definitely recommend them if you are in the market for some new jeans, or even if you're not, I would just like go and get some, because white jeans are the love of my life, but I always ruin them, and I have bleached, I have tumble dried, I have done everything to my JJ's white jeans, and they are still standing. So yeah, so I guess that's the haul I have. I guess that's it for the haul that I have for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Of course, everything that I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box below. I, again, really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Have a great day. Bye. Ow. Oh, this is a beautiful watch, but it freaking hurts me so bad. Ah, ow, it pinched my hair. Ow, 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 ow. Oh my god, ow. Okay, let's see. Things I do in this video. Ooh. Ow, okay, that's not gonna work.
Darling.